How to transfer WhatsApp account and chats from Android to Android in two ways. Here are two reliable ways to transfer your WhatsApp account and chats from one Android device to another. For the first method, open your WhatsApp app. In WhatsApp, tap on the three dot icon at the top right corner, then select the option Settings. In Settings, tap on the option Chats, then select the option Chat Backup. This step you will need to do on your old Android device. Now install WhatsApp on the new device. Log in with the same phone number on your new device. Now WhatsApp will detect your Google Drive backup. Tap Restore to transfer your chats. For the second method, you will need to do this first step exactly the same. Open WhatsApp and go to your settings. Go to Chat Backup and click on Backup. After that, all of your chats will be backed up on your local storage. On the same old device, go to My Files. Inside My Files, go to Internal Storage. In Internal Storage, search for WhatsApp. After you search for WhatsApp, you will see a folder named WhatsApp. Click on that and open Databases. Here all of your backed up files will be available. Simply go back and transfer this Databases folder on your new device. You can transfer this using a USB cable or a file sharing app. So that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you. How to add a cover photo in Line. To update your cover photo in Line, follow these steps. It is a very simple and easy process, so just follow along. Firstly, if you haven't already, then install the Line application from the App Store or Google Play Store. After you have installed it, then search for the app and open it on your device. Now in the Line app, make sure that you are logged in to your account. After logging in, you will land to the home page. At the very top of the home page, you will see your profile, and at the top right corner of your screen, you will see a setting gear icon. Click on that. After you do that, then a menu like this will open. In this menu, at the very top, you will see your profile option. Click on that profile option. Now at the very top of the screen, you can see your profile picture and your cover photo. If you want to change it, then click on the option Set Profile Icon and Cover at the bottom. Now there are two options by which you can set your profile cover. One is by selecting photo or video from your gallery. And if you want to set the cover by opening your camera, click on Open Camera. Now simply take a photo. You can also crop it if you like. After you are satisfied, click on the next option at the bottom right corner. Now click on Done. So this is how you can set your profile cover in Line. So that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.
How to delete a Discord server. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this quick tutorial, I'll guide you through the step on how to delete a Discord server. So let's get started. First of all, open the Discord app and select the server you want to delete. Make sure you are the owner of the server because only the owner can delete it. Once you are in the server, at the top, click on the server's name. This will open a menu. On the menu, tap on the settings. Then, inside the settings, tap on the overview. Inside the overview section, scroll all the way down and click on the delete server. A pop-up will appear. Tap on the OK to confirm the deletion. And your server will be gone. And that's it. With this, your Discord server has been deleted. Thank you for watching the video till the end. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more tutorial like this. See you in the next video. How to enable two-factor authentication on Discord. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this quick tutorial, I'll guide you through the step on how to enable two-factor authentication on Discord. So let's get started. First of all, open Discord app on your iPhone or PC. Tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Then tap on the gear icon at the top right corner. Next, scroll down and tap on My Account. This is where you can manage your account security settings. Under My Account, you will see the option Enable Two-Factor Authentication. Tap on that to start the process. Discord will ask you to enter your password. Then it will ask you to set up two-factor authentication using Authenticator app. If you don't have one, you can download Google Authenticator or Authenti from the App Store or Play Store. Once you have app on it, scan the QR code provided by Discord, enter the code generated by the app to verify and enable two-factor authentication. After enabling two-factor authentication, Discord will give you a set of backup codes. These are important to you. Make sure to save them in a secure place. And that's it. You have successfully enabled two-factor authentication on your Discord account. Thank you for watching the video till the end. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more tutorial like this. See you on the next video.